Let's do this. What's up, Sacramento? This is your real estate market update for February 2025. The post-Super Bowl sales season hasn't started like normal. What does that mean for you? Let's get into the details. New home sales. Sacramento new home sales slowed during the first 3 weeks of February before coming to a strong finish in the last week of the month, according to the North State Building Industry Association. CIA members sold 521 new homes in the 7-county region in February, which was above average for the month. Typically, that's about a 505 is the average, but it's below February sales for recent years. Sales were down 32% from February of last year, partly because last year was a 5-week month, and they're also down 21% in January, but January was also a long month too, so some of the numbers are a little bit skewed when you look at the percentages. Roseville recorded the highest number of sales during the month with 127, narrowly edging out Rancho Cordova, where 123 sales were reported. Sacramento and Elk Grove tied for third place with 65 sales each, and Folsom rounded out the top 5 markets with 31 sales. New homes is definitely where it's at if you're looking for a new home. I'll share a little bit more details later on, so stick around for that. Overall, the average home price in Sacramento, based on trend graphics, was up slightly to $658,000. Notice in the chart here, the average list price continues to decline. Now, that's the headline that you're going to hear in the news, is that prices are declining. All that's really happening is people are getting really realistic on their sales prices, and they're better matching the market. Some of you may actually start listening to your real estate professionals of what they're recommending for your home price. You know who you are. Average price per square foot in the region is up to $343 a square foot, and that's up about 2.7% from this period of last year. February saw a total of 1,155 homes sold, and that's an increase of 5% from January, but it's down 8% from this time last year. It's just a little bit slower pace, and we saw that, but things are starting to pick back up. The great news is, talking about picking back up, pending sales jumped 12.8% in February. So people are starting to come back in, but it was just that slower start. We didn't see it in the beginning of February like we expected. It really kicked in that last week of the month. Months of inventory is up slightly to 2.5 months. That should expect to probably increase a little bit as more homes come on the market during selling season. So we'll see that number kind of increase a little bit, but we're still in a very strong seller's market. Mortgage rates. Mortgage rates are what helped kick things up in that end of the year or end of February. They inched down into the mid-6s, and I think that's why we're seeing that activity, but it didn't really kick in until the end of the month. Now remember, I talked about new homes is where it's at right now. If you are ready, willing, and able to buy a home right now, new homes is definitely where it's at. The builders are helping bridge that affordability gap right now in the market. They're offering buy downs. They're offering help with closing costs. All sorts of deals are to be had on the new home market. It's typically only on standard inventory, so something that is finished or about to be finished. We are the #1 awarded new home brokerage in Northern California, so if you want help with that deal, let us know. Whether that's on one of our communities or some of the other our friends in the business, let's help you get one of those great deals that's in the market right now. You know, overall, my opinion of the market, we got off to a slow start for the beginning of the year. That got everybody a little bit worried. We weren't really sure where we were going. But as rates ticked down a little bit, activity started to pick back up. Overall, prices are continuing to rise. Rates will likely stay in this kind of same range for quite a while. I don't really see a big move out of the 6s anytime soon, but prices are continuing to increase. So if you are ready, willing, and able to buy, now is a great time to start building wealth in real estate. Guys, our job is to help you move up, and we want to get you from where you are to where you want to be. That's our goal here at Next Real Estate Group and Next New Homes Group. Guys, I'm Christopher Brown. I will see you next month.